70 years ago, Riyadh was a small desert town home to only 83,000 residents. The streets were quiet, cars were a rarity, and the old city walls still stood, marking the boundaries of the settlement. Little did anyone know this was just the beginning of a remarkable transformation. Today, Riyadh is a bustling metropolis with a population of approximately 7.8 million people. The city has grown exponentially, and its skyline now features modern towers, busy highways, and advanced infrastructure. But the most ambitious development project yet is the Riyadh Metro, set to change the way people move around the city and serve as a critical part of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030. The origins of Riyadh's transformation. The story of Riyadh's explosive growth began in the 1950s when Saudi Arabia's economy began to experience a dramatic shift due to the discovery of oil. The newfound wealth transformed the nation, and people from across the country flocked to Riyadh, the capital, to seek work and opportunities. As the city's population grew, so did its boundaries, expanding well beyond the old city walls. By the 1970s, Riyadh had become one of the world's largest construction sites, as new neighborhoods and business districts rapidly developed. By the end of the century, the city had grown from a compact walled settlement of less than 1 square kilometer to a sprawling urban center covering 1,500 square kilometers. This rapid growth came with its share of challenges. As more people moved to the city, traffic congestion became a major issue, and long commute times started to negatively impact the quality of life. The city's infrastructure, largely car-dependent, struggled to keep pace with the demands of the growing population. The solution, the Riyadh Metro. Riyadh needed a solution that would not only address the present-day challenges of congestion and pollution, but also prepare the city for future growth. The answer? The Riyadh Metro, a massive public transportation project that is set to become one of the largest and most advanced metro systems in the world. This driverless metro network, the largest in Saudi Arabia's history, will stretch across 176 kilometers of track, connecting various parts of the city with 85 stations. The project, which was first proposed in 2012, aligns perfectly with the country's broader goals outlined in Vision 2030 to diversify the economy away from oil dependence and improve the quality of life for Saudi citizens. With an ambitious plan to modernize Riyadh's public transport infrastructure, the metro is expected to reduce traffic congestion significantly and provide an environmentally friendly alternative to private cars. Construction of the metro began in 2014, and it has since become the centerpiece of the kingdom's Vision 2030, an ambitious plan aimed at diversifying the economy, improving public services, and creating a more sustainable, inclusive future. The metro will not only alleviate congestion but will also reduce the city's reliance on oil by encouraging the use of public transportation. The Riyadh Metro will be equipped with state-of-the-art technologies, including fully automated trains that require no human operators. It will connect all of the major areas of Riyadh, facilitating smooth and efficient movement across the city. The metro's design takes into account future growth projections, ensuring it will continue to serve the city as it expands, with plans for possible extensions and upgrades in the coming years. The metro system is being built with 6 lines that cover all the major areas of Riyadh, including residential neighborhoods, business districts, and key landmarks. These lines will work in tandem, creating an efficient network that ensures seamless travel across the city. The network's integration with other parts of the city, including roads and airports, will make commuting easier than ever before. The project scale is immense. Each line is designed to transport thousands of passengers every day, with the potential to carry up to 3.6 million people when the system is fully operational. Overcoming obstacles in metro construction. Building a metro system in a rapidly growing city like Riyadh presented numerous challenges, particularly because of the unique environment and terrain. The desert landscape, consisting of both rocky and sandy terrain, required advanced tunneling technology. Tunnel boring machines were brought in to drill through this difficult ground, and over 7 million cubic meters of earth were excavated in the process, enough to fill nearly 3,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools. The intense heat and arid conditions posed further difficulties for the construction teams, and extreme weather conditions meant that engineers had to constantly adapt their methods. The use of advanced technology and materials ensured that these challenges were overcome efficiently and safely. One of the biggest concerns during construction was how tunneling would affect the nearby buildings. Areas such as Oya Street, lined with iconic structures like Alalia Tower and Kingdom Tower, posed risks to their foundations. To mitigate this, engineers installed monitoring systems to measure vibrations and identify any potential weaknesses in real time. If any building was at risk, work would pause until solutions could be developed. This constant vigilance ensured that no harm came to the city's prized buildings. Additionally, the extensive coordination required between local authorities and international construction firms was key to managing these risks. Saudi Arabia's commitment to the safety and preservation of its urban environment was central to the project's success. Another challenge arose from the presence of underground voids, empty spaces beneath the city that were not initially mapped. These voids required stabilization with concrete and specialized chemicals to ensure safe tunneling. The complexities of Riyadh's subterranean landscape added to the project's duration and cost, yet the thoroughness of the approach ensured that no unforeseen hazards derailed the construction process. Despite these hurdles, the project continued to make progress thanks to meticulous planning and collaboration between international construction firms from the United States, Spain, France, and other countries. The team effort became a global symbol of engineering excellence, showcasing the power of international cooperation. The scale and ambition of the Riyadh Metro. With an investment of $25 billion, the Riyadh Metro is one of the largest infrastructure projects in Saudi Arabia's history. It spans 6 color-coded lines and covers a total distance of 176 kilometers. The metro will consist of 85 stations, which will serve a diverse set of needs, from residential areas to major business districts. The first 3 lines of the metro opened to the public on December 1, 2024, with the remaining lines expected to be operational by early 2025. Once fully functional, the metro system will handle an impressive 3.6 million passengers daily, enough to transport Riyadh's entire population in just 2 days. The metro's efficiency is a result of its driverless design. By utilizing advanced communication-based train control systems, the trains operate autonomously without human operators. This ensures smoother and more reliable operations, with reduced delays and improved safety. Wireless communication between trains allows for maximum capacity while ensuring passenger safety. The Riyadh Metro's future. The Riyadh Metro is not just a solution to the city's current transportation issues, it's also built with the future in mind. As Riyadh's population is expected to reach over 9.6 million by 2030, the metro system is designed to accommodate this growth. It has the flexibility to add more trains, extend lines, and build additional stations as needed. Looking beyond 2030, the Riyadh Metro will play an important role during international events like the 2034 FIFA World Cup, which Saudi Arabia will host. With millions of visitors expected, the metro will be a key part of the city's infrastructure, helping visitors get to matches and explore Riyadh. The metro also connects to other major projects transforming Riyadh, such as King Salman Park, which will soon be the world's largest urban park. This park will be located right next to a metro station, ensuring easy access for visitors. Another iconic development, the Morava Project, will feature a cube-shaped landmark and create a new downtown area that will also be served by multiple metro lines. Key features of the Riyadh Metro. The Riyadh Metro consists of 6 color-coded lines: blue, red, orange, yellow, green, and purple, each serving a specific area of the city to provide comprehensive coverage. The blue line spans 38 kilometers, connecting Oya Street and Al Batha, while the red line, at 25.3 kilometers, links residential areas to business districts along King Abdullah Road. The orange line, the longest at 40.7 kilometers, connects the western districts to the city center, and the yellow line provides a direct link between King Khalid International Airport and the King Abdullah Financial District. The green line serves the city's central areas, and the purple line connects the eastern sectors. The metro is the world's longest driverless system, ensuring efficient and safe operation. Some stations, like the King Abdullah Financial District station, are designed by renowned architects like Zaha Hadid, showcasing futuristic, iconic designs. Passengers enjoy comfort and convenience with high-speed internet, air conditioning, and multilingual travel information, with dedicated sections for first-class, family, and regular commuters. Additionally, the metro system plays a vital role in improving air quality by reducing vehicle emissions and supports Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 goals of sustainability and economic diversification. And there you have it. The Riyadh Metro is not just a transportation system, it's a game-changer for the city and a symbol of Saudi Arabia's bright future. If you enjoyed learning about this amazing project, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.